Hey, Alex Valencia, Student Success Librarian here at NC State University Libraries. Today we're going to be working with the Women and Minority Engineering program. It's a week-long summer camp where students come to campus, they get their orientation, get their Unity cards, and today we're going to be doing 5 workshops throughout the library so they can get used to some of our resources and see some of our spaces. We're going to be talking to folks from the makerspace, Digital Media Lab, Innovation and Visualization Studio, the Data Experience Lab, and then we're also going to be meeting some research engagement librarians that are specifically focused on engineering so they can ask some questions and really just get acclimated for when they come here in fall. Really looking forward to it. Thank you to the people over in the engineering college, and it's going to be a fun day.
Hi, I'm Veronica Mbaneme. I am a graduate assistant working for the Women and Minority Engineering programs here at NC State. We have a group of about 87 women and minority engineering and computer science students, freshmen that are coming into NC State here for the C program. So that's the Summer Exploration Experience Camp that we have for our students. And today we are touring Hill Library, looking at their visual spaces, their market space, as well as gaming spaces, and their eateries. So this is the opportunity for the students to understand the resources that are here at NC State to get through the rigors of their engineering programs. So they can come here, network with other students, work on their homework, or just take a break from what is going on in their day-to-day life, do gaming, and they have other different studios here on campus. But for the students to actually understand what things are here available for them so they are successful in their engineering or computer science programs.
That melody's pretty cool. What is this song gonna be about?
I'm picking the song too. I'm picking the song too.
No, I mean, you already got the song, but what are the lyrics gonna be about? Friends? Engineering, okay. Here's what we're gonna do. Your lyrics are in front of you. Are you gonna sing this or are you gonna say it?
What's best? Sing it.
Do you like singing? This, we'll try it both ways.
Okay.
And however way you don't do it, we'll get someone else to do the opposite way, okay? By the way, thanks for volunteering.
Of course.
Yeah. What's your name?
Kasarian.
Kasarian? I'm Jason, so nice to meet you. So, one way you could do it: computer, electrical, civil, mechanical, chemical, nuclear, aerospace. That's easy, right?
Okay, yeah,
you can also just sing it, man. Just pick those words and just go for it.
I can sing.
I can't wait to hear this. This is so great. This is it. Challenge accepted. You can sing. Anybody can sing if you just sing. So please don't be afraid to. You're awesome. You ready to do this?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Computer, electrical, civil, mechanical, chemical, nuclear, aerospace, biomedical, petroleum, and textile.
Oh, that's so great. Yes. Okay. I'm going to turn on the compressor. I'm going to turn up the gain. And just a little more flavor, I'm going to turn off the pitch correct, and I'm going to instead turn on a little bit of stereo delay.
Computer, electrical, civil, mechanical, chemical, nuclear, aerospace, biomedical, environmental, petroleum, and textile.
Perfect, friends, yes. All right, so what I think we should do, who else wants to add a verse to this? We got time. 3, go.
Engineering. Hey. Mama. Take off. Skirt. Yeah.
In that same spirit, does anyone want to add one more ad-lib track? Hit it.
See money on the track. Sitting here with WMEP 2022.
I'm Justin Haynes. I'm the makerspace manager here at NC State University Library. So today we are doing a few different activities for the group. We're first doing a warm-up brain exercise. We're pushing students to kind of think creatively, push the boundaries on what they think if they're a creative person or not. After some discussion, we're then going into our paper circuits where we're using some copper tape, a battery, an LED to learn some simple circuitry and make a wearable badge that they can take with them. So we give the students everything they'll need to make the basic circuit: the card, copper tape, a battery, LED, and a clip. So battery will pop out, testing the LED first, boom. And now we'll just cover all the gray areas on the card with copper tape.
You can do it. I'm just gonna cut this. That's smart. Yeah. Oh, yours just needs to be squished. You just gotta play, massage it. There you go. So I may put down a little extra tape, but you did it. Congratulations.
How many of y'all found something new about the libraries today? How many of you are excited to come into the libraries? Who thinks their song that they made in the digital media lab was the best song? Again, thank you for stopping by the libraries today. We really appreciate it. We're looking forward to seeing you, and you can always come to the desk and ask for help if you need to get by with your English 101 class, Com 110 class, those tricky classes that can stop you from going on to the other classes. Come by, we'll help you out, and we'll get you through those because we're all here for each other. So again, enjoy the rest of your time here. We look forward to seeing you in fall, and stop by. Have a good day.
Thank you. First and foremost, again, let's give Alex and his team a round of applause for allowing us to come to the facility to fill us with a bunch of knowledge that we can take with us. And really, this space, the library in general, all the resources here are to make sure that you're successful. In your engineering programs, they are very rigorous. So just make sure, I know it was some fun space, makerspace, things of that nature, and then some things that you can do actually are utilized within your classrooms. But the outside of classrooms, we also want you to make sure that you're spending time to rejuvenate yourself. And here in the library, they have a lot of resources that you can do to have fun. You know, so using your engineering skills, the engineering creativity that you have naturally, come here and do something outside of the rigors of your program, right? Get away from the hustle and bustle of the day and just relax. And make sure that you find ways to rejuvenate yourself, fill your cup. And a lot of spaces and resources here in the library will allow you to do just that, okay?